back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how I do a one-pan chicken roast dinner. All the veggies and all the rest of it. Alright, let's get on with this recipe. It is pretty simple and I use pretty simple ingredients. Alright, I'm going to make up the stuffing. This is just 1 cup of stuffing mix that I've purchased from the supermarket. I'm not going to make my own this time around, but I'm going to add a few green peas to it. And I'm also going to add in some nice corn kernels as well. They're just frozen, so I think nothing wrong with those at all. Put those in, it's just going to add a bit more spiciness or a bit more flavour to our stuffing. Now, even more flavour again, I'm using up a little bit of Caesar salad dressing, just what was left in the bottle. I'm going to give that a mix. It's a little bit dry, we need a little bit more moisture, so all I'm going to do is put a little bit of water into that bottle of dressing, rinse it around, and we can add that as we need to until our stuffing actually comes together. Right, we don't want it too dry and we don't want it too wet, so get it to a nice consistency where everything's nice and moist. Okay, now we need our chicken. In this case we've got a 3 kilo chicken, or 2.96 kilos to be exact. Now my challenge I set myself is to try and make as many meals out of this one chicken as I possibly could. So just put the stuffing in nice and loose. Make sure you get it right up the front, and I'm going to tie up the or secure the back of the bird just with a skewer. You can use kitchen twine if you want to go that way, no real need to. Right, but we do want to keep all that goodness and all that nice juiciness inside, so I am going to bondage the bird. I'm just going to tie those legs together. I'm not doing a full truss. If you just want to see how to do a full truss, there is a video on my channel to show you how. So simply just going to tie those legs together, just a good old granny knot, that will do. Alright, make sure it's nice and secure, and we're ready for our next step. Alright, I've got my oven already sitting at 180 degrees. I want some seasoning on the bird. I'm just using an all-purpose seasoning. You can buy that straight from the supermarket. I'm just showing you how easy you can make this meal. Alright, so I've added that. I'm going to put a little bit of spray oil on top. It's going to help our skin go nice and crispy, which is what we like. And it's also going to help it brown up. The only thing I'm going to add now is a little bit of freshly ground black pepper straight over the top, just to give it a little bit more of a bite. Now, my chicken is already in the oven, right? We're letting that go. Here I've got about 4 potatoes that I've just cut into little wedges, about 3 carrots that I've just cut in half and peeled, and a nice size zucchini that I've roughly chopped. Put that into a bowl, like that. Give it a nice little bit of salt. Okay, as much or little as you need to. I'm going to add in some freshly ground black pepper to this as well, just as much or little as you want, and for a little bit more of a punch, a little bit of white pepper. I do like the white pepper. Put a little bit of olive oil in, and just toss those vegetables around, get them all coated up in that olive oil. Right, our chicken's been in for an hour and a half, so I'm just going to put him straight down on a trivet there for a second. Right, like that. And all we're going to do now is get our vegetables and just surround the bird in our little roasting pan, just any way you want. I like it all a bit random, and that way when you serve up, you're serving up all different types of vegetables all in one scoop. Alright, so we've got all the food groups there. You could add a bit of sweet potato or pumpkin in there if you wanted to, but this worked out just be a really nice meal, and those little wedges, they just cook up really nicely. Alright, that's been in for an hour and a half. That is all done. I'm just going to cover that with a little bit of aluminium foil, glad foil, just to keep it a little bit warm. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before you serve. Just cut the string off, make sure you take rid of that skewer, and you've got a bird ready to go. You can eat as much or little of this particular meal that you want. How easy was that to make? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. But if you want to learn how to do something real simple and quick and easy like this on a Sunday afternoon, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I'm off to eat my one-pan roast dinner, and I will catch you next time. Bye!